it's Samantha Erica here and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be turning these Bantu knots into mini twists. But before I get started, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscription button down below, and also don't forget to hit that little bell so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. So I just washed my hair yesterday and I detangled it and I put them into these Bantu knots. And if you're wondering why didn't I just put my hair into twists rather than putting them into Bantu knots, it's just easier and faster for me to roll my hair into a Bantu knot as I detangle my hair rather than twist in each section. And I also find that when I put my hair into Bantu knots after I wash it, although it takes a whole lot longer to dry, when it does dry I feel like my hair is a lot more moisturized than if I let it air dry in twist. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start maybe at the back section of my hair. This is what it looks like right now in the Bantu knots. So I'm just gonna get started right here, and as I take each Bantu knot out, I'm just gonna quickly detangle it. Well, it's already detangled, but comb through it and then part it and do my mini twist.